Hey everybody, Keegan here with OTBx Air, showing you how you can book a photography session for your next real estate listing within minutes and save the back and forth headache of emails. To get started, we'll go to the OTBx Air homepage and click the big blue Book a Photographer button right smack dab in the middle. It'll take you to a page that looks like this, in which case you can enter your email address, and I'm going to be test@gmail.com. There, it'll ask you for your phone number, your company, and your name. Company usually being like brokerage. In this case, I've already booked a photography session in the past, so it remembers a lot of my information and it's auto-populated that for me. Then we're going to go down here to the address. I'm going to say this is 1 Blue Jays Way, Toronto. And let's say I'm bad at guessing my square footage, and I'm going to say it's 1,500. Please keep in mind that the square footage does include below grade as well. You can also input your MLS number as well as the bedrooms, bathrooms, and the lot size if you have that information available. From here, you can see the Google Map view where you can zoom in, zoom out, put the person down on the map, as well as go to a satellite view, which is useful for rural properties. From there, you can scroll down even further to see all of our real estate packages, including the Better package, which is what we're going to select today, photo and video, as well as we're going to select the optional marketing kit that comes included with it for free. The marketing kit includes the listing website, as well as social media templates, customizable flyers, and traffic reports and analytics. From here, we're going to continue scrolling down, and I also think I'm going to grab an iGuide 360 scan with some floor plans. Further on down, you'll see some more individual services, add-ons, sky replacements, twilight photography. We want to do some exterior only photo and video, so no interior, along with neighborhood footage, reels, etc. You can also see our corporate services such as testimonial videos, neighborhood videos, social blitzes, core fours, anything to help improve your real estate business. You can also go to here, prepay and save, where you can preload your account with a $2,000 credit and get a $200 bonus, or prepay for packages and get one for free. Now comes to booking the photographer. Raul here can do both the Better package, photo and video, and he can do the iGuide 360 scans, so we can select him. And if your favorite photographer is outside the range, there is also a travel fee here that is associated with the photographer. If you don't see your favorite photographer here, you can click Show All Photographers, go down here and select Rob or Kay or any one of the people here if they're your favorite. But please be advised, there always is that travel fee if they're outside of the range. Now we're going to get to the schedule. It tells you how long the shoot will probably take, 2 hours and 30 minutes. And I'm going to say I want to open the individual calendar. From here, I can select some ones that are readily available for you, Thursday, August 4th, Friday, Saturday, etc. But if I want to see the full calendar, I can click this, and I can select any time that Raul is available. In this case, if I also want to schedule something even further out, I can click I need something further out and select something there. I'm probably going to select Friday at 10 a.m. and just continue on. From there, we can also get to the project details. Will the agent be on site? Will you be doing an intro outro for the videos, etc.? In this case, I'm going to say yes to all these things. I'm going to be on site, so I'll say agent. The contact number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please provide the lockbox number and location for the access. If there is a lockbox, I'll say front door or whatever. But in this case, there's an agent. Will you require us to capture footage of the basement? Yes. Please provide any specific notes about the job. It's the Rogers Center. Any additional information is advised, helps our photographers get the best shoots possible. From here, we'll go to billing information. We can go type in the address, which we'll do 123 Main Street in Toronto. We'll say Ontario, so that way it calculates the sales tax correctly, and the postal code. From here, you can choose to put pay now, or you can go to the payment due on delivery, and you can also apply any promo codes to your account. Once you read through the terms and conditions, you can agree, and it's that simple. You can click place my order, and it will take you to an order page and continue on. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our support team, and we'd be happy to help you wherever possible. Enjoy the shoot.